Spanakopita pasta. I've got some onions getting nice and soft with a little garlic, well actually lots of garlic, in good olive oil. Once we've got those onions nice and soft, we add some garlic. Of course the onions have salt and pepper to get them to give off all of their juices. And then we're going to add in a ton of spinach because of course spinach rolls down to nothing, right? So a little bit of nutmeg. And then white or black pepper or a combination of both, totally up to you. I really like a little pinch of white in this. And again, you can go crazy. Oh, use them both. What? Okay, guys, here's all of our spinach wilted into the pan, like I said. The thing was like this, and now it's cooked way down. So now we can drop that down to low. We have our herbs waiting, our crumbled feta, our chopped green onion. Everybody's ready to go. All we have to do now is drop the pasta. We always liberally salt our water. These guys I love. Looks like baby lasagna, doesn't it? Cute, very cute. But any shortcut pasta would do for this. I would choose shortcut because we're gonna add a ton of feta to this, and we want that spinach to keep some of its integrity, right? The reason we salt the pasta is that the pasta water is an ingredient in the dish. It's what marries everything together. We reserve half a cup or your coffee mug, whatever. We reserve some of that pasta water to marry the pasta to the sauce. We also always undercook our pasta by 1 minute. All right, guys, so here's our very important part, our VIP. We save some of that starchy cooking water. We undercook our pasta by a bit. We turn the stove off so we don't set our kitchen mitts or mop beans on fire, right? And then we're going to add it together with our spinach, onion, and garlic for our Spanakopita style pasta. And now the really fun part. Well, first of all, you can't jump ship. Get back in there. Okay. We're going to take all of this gorgeous Greek feta cheese, drained and crumbled, add starchy cooking water, add all of our herbs, the dill, parsley, and mint combination, and our bunch of scallions. We toss this together for an extra minute or two so that that emulsification can happen. It smells so incredible. We need acidity to finish this. All right. Squeeze cut side up so that the seeds stay with the lemon. You don't even need to transfer this. It looks great right in the pot, but I have such pretty dishes here and they don't get enough airtime, so I'm going to transfer it just to a pretty dish because the colors are so lovely.